What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an IKEA hacks video using some really affordable pieces from IKEA, stuff that's normally kind of plain and boring, and how I kind of jazz it up to make it work. I've gotten inspiration from other people and I'm just kind of putting my own spin on it. Hope you guys enjoy seeing this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this first DIY is very simple, but it looks so nice and pretty, and it only cost me about $25 to make. So I picked up this mirror from IKEA, don't know how to say it, but there it is right there. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some greenery. There's my dog, he's checking out the new mirror. So the mirror has a little space where you can put a lot of stuff in it, where you could put like your keys when you walk in if you use it as an entryway mirror or something. I really like the idea of using greenery in it because I just love adding the more greenery and plants to my house, the better. So all I did was pick up this little strand of garland from Hobby Lobby and just kind of put it in there the way I wanted it, rearrange it, and make it look as natural as possible, kind of flowing out of that mirror. I love the way it turned out. If you want to dress it up a little bit more, you can add some twinkle lights, and I feel like this would be really pretty around Christmas time because it looked really pretty at night. As you see here, I just really love how this turned out, and the mirror was $20 from IKEA. The garland I got for about $5 to $10 at Hobby Lobby, which you can always get on sale. Okay guys, so for this DIY, I picked up this basket. It's actually from IKEA. It is the Flatus. I don't know if that's how you say it. But anyway, it's only $12 from IKEA, and normally these baskets are really expensive, and it's actually a pretty good size. So I had to wait for a while because they were out of stock at my IKEA for like 3 weeks, but I finally got it. So I'm going to show you how to make little pom-pom kind of tassels to put on the front. Also, I might paint the bottom of it, but I kind of like the natural look of it right now. So there's so many things you can do with this basket. You can paint it, you can add tassels, you can add pom-poms, you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to it. So let's just go ahead and make some pom-poms. So to make the pom-poms, you're going to need 2 toilet paper rolls, a pair of scissors, and then your yarn. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a pom-pom. It's going to be kind of hard for me to show you, but I'll try to do my best to explain it as well. There's a lot of really good tutorials on YouTube too. If you can't follow mine, I'll link some of my favorites that I watched down below. So what I'm going to do is take my 2 toilet paper rolls and hold them with my finger and just start wrapping my yarn around the middle of them. The more you wrap, the thicker of a pom-pom you're going to have, obviously. So I like to do mine a bunch of times because I want really big pom-poms. So I'm just going to keep wrapping and wrapping this around. Okay, so I have it wrapped about that thick. It kind of squished my toilet paper rolls, but that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the end off. And then what I'm going to do is try to open this up first. I'm going to go ahead and take another piece of this string and just cut it about like that big. It doesn't have to be very big, but like this big. So I just used that piece of string, pushed it in between the 2 toilet paper rolls, and then I'm going to use it to tie this so it doesn't all fall apart. So let me just do that and I'll show you guys. Okay, so now we have something that looks like this, not very cute. So then I'm just going to take my scissors and start opening up these loops and just do it in sections because it's just easier that way. And just make sure all those loops are cut. And it's going to look something like this, which is still not what we want. So now we're going to grip it from the other side. And I like to pull mine up and kind of gather them all together and then trim all the tops. So it looks like one of those things that you used to stick Play-Doh through and the hair would come up. That's what this reminds me of. So this part can get messy, but I'm going to show you guys a trick so you can not spend hours picking up these little pieces off your floor. So I cut mine into a shoebox, so when that's done I can just either recycle this or throw it all away, or I could save these for like if I have another DIY, like something I need to like fill a pillow with or something. You can save it and it's just in a shoebox. Then what I like to do is take my little pom-pom and I'm going to actually go throw it in the dryer because then it gives it the real like pom-pom look that I like, the kind of frayed, messy look. So I'm going to go throw mine in the dryer while I make the rest, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how I'm going to put it on the basket. Okay guys, so this is what the pom-poms look like now that they're out of the dryer. So all I did to attach these was super easy. Since I left those really long strings, I actually was just able to tie them through the basket on the inside. And this makes it really easy also if you ever want to change out your colors or you get new decor. You can just take these off, switch them out for a new color, and there you go. I think this cheap $12 basket looks so cute now that it has some pom-poms on the front. Next, we have this little hack for a hanging plant. I've seen this over the internet, but I myself could never find exactly what it was. Nobody linked it in their video that I watched. So this is just actually a floating shelf little bracket, and it's $6 at IKEA, and all you do is hang it up on the wall. You just nail it in and hang your plant on it, and I love the vibe of the natural wood with the macrame. I just think it looks so pretty, and just toss your plant in and you're good to go for $6. And finally, we have the famous IKEA spice rack. $3 or $4 at IKEA, literally the best $3 or $4 you could spend there. These are incredibly easy to set up as well from IKEA. I feel like that's the easiest thing to install. So I did it myself. It took me about 5 minutes, honestly, just to screw it all together and then hang it up on the wall. And the possibilities with these spice racks are endless. Just go on Pinterest and type in IKEA spice rack and see all the ideas you can do. I actually want to hang these up in my beauty room and kind of display some of my prettier palettes, some of my favorite foundations, and for $3 or $4, you can't go wrong. I use these as floating shelves over my tub so I could display some items and just have kind of a candle and some more relaxation vibes with some essential oils, some shells, some succulents, all the pretty things, and I love the way they turned out, and for $8, you can't go wrong. You guys enjoyed seeing this video. It was so much fun to film. I had a great time just kind of getting to put my own spin on things and just take my time and look through IKEA and look at things that I wanted to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you would like me to do more videos like this in the future, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. What would you like me to do next? Give me some ideas. I love going to IKEA and always need an excuse to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.